There are hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe, and almost every single one of them fits into just a few categories. That is honestly wild when you think about it. The cosmos is enormous beyond imagination, yet the shapes galaxies take follow a surprisingly limited set of patterns. So let's break it down because this is actually really fascinating stuff. The most common classification system divides galaxies into three main types. First, you have elliptical galaxies. These are basically giant balls or stretched ovals of stars. They tend to be older, with very little star formation happening inside them. Think of them as the retirement communities of the universe. Then you have spiral galaxies, which is probably the shape most people picture when they think of a galaxy. Our own Milky Way is one of these. Spiral galaxies have a central bulge with arms that curl outward, and they are actively forming new stars. They look like cosmic pinwheels, and they are genuinely stunning. Third are irregular galaxies. These are the oddballs that do not fit neatly into either category. They often look chaotic and messy, and many of them got that way because of gravitational interactions or collisions with other galaxies. But here is where it gets even more interesting. There are also lenticular galaxies, which are kind of a hybrid between elliptical and spiral. And then there are peculiar galaxies. Peculiar galaxies are exactly what they sound like. They have bizarre, distorted shapes that defy easy classification, usually the result of two galaxies colliding or pulling each other apart. The universe essentially has its own filing system, and studying these shapes tells us the entire history of how galaxies live and evolve over billions of years.